Hi, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I'm going to show you guys the system identification toolbox GUI tool. As you know, I love these GUI tools, but this one I think is going to be pretty impressive for you. So this is a system identification toolbox. Now imagine if we had a time series of however big you wanted. I'm just going to load some example data, some dryer, whatnot, I don't know. And what you can do is you can now estimate that data. So we have our working data. We've got our estimate chosen. Let's say we're going to choose many different models here. In our case, I'll go with something called RMAX. It's one of the typical prediction or analytical ways to predict the markets. I've demoed that in the econometrics toolbox videos. So you can see here we have the focus on prediction, and there's a lot of different options here. But I'm just going to hit estimate. So what's going to happen here is we have this new output. So if let me just model output, and then we can do residual. So these two represent your typical, maybe your best fit. So you got your data here for your best fit on this particular model based upon what you see here. If you wanted to see a graphical representation of the data, this is what it would look like. Your temperature and your power, I mean, that's a separate set of data. Actually, I can probably show that to you. Yeah, it's just these two matrices here, the 1000 by 1 and another 1000 by 1. Okay, so as I said, you have your residual analysis, your best fit, and as you can tell, you can apply different types of models. Let's see here. Let's say if I choose an ARX, which could be another type of and I'm just going to stick with the defaults, and then I'm doing an estimate, and I'll update this plot with a different best fit and a different color, obviously. And again, I can also take a look at the residuals as well, which is another way of looking at if things are within a range or that sort of thing. But this is just due to some temperature and whatnot. But just wanted to show you the power of this little toolbox or tool. It's very powerful. So let's say if I want to just drag one of the resulting models. I've done this before, but okay. So it already exists. So let me just go back. So our output, yeah, this is our actually these two are our resulting model that we just dragged and dropped into. When I drag this to here, this is the result. So this is the typical best fit. We call that guesstimate. And there's some other cool stuff that I've been learning as I've been playing with this. AMX output. Okay, so I have output name. Okay, it's called a temperature, but in my case, if I want to have the data, the estimated data. Oh, name and unit. I guess this is predefined in the there. Okay. So yeah, these are the output names. Anyways, the point of this is just want to introduce you to this tool, and you can also save the session as an SID file, and on it goes. This can also do neural network and other types of models. This can be done programmatically, but I'll dig more into it and show what it's capable of. Other than that, talk to you later.